Hi Diana. Now I'm going to show you this video about your piece that we've discussed. So here's your piece right here. I'm going to do this vertically. It's not going to work very much on a, we'll do it vertically because it sort of works better for this object. But we'll start at the bottom. So here's the base up close. And you can see little bits of the copper that have come through. You see there, but we know that. I mean, we've agreed at the outset that we were going to only do minimal cosmetics and mainly focus on the structure. So, here's parts of some things that were fixed. I wound up filling and consolidating those feet, and underneath, if you look under there, you see that little tiny. White sliver there? That's a piece I put on the bottom of that foot to make it stand up straight. So now, let's go along here. Another thing you can notice is that, as I also described, that I was going to darken the deep areas to highlight the design, which kind of what gives this so much visual punch, really. Here's the stem. This section right here we cut off. We cut this off of here. From here there was a prior fix here that this wasn't properly aligned to be plumb. So we set it up so now this is now plumb. Then here is the major fix that we did. And let's take a look at that. Let's see. There it is, and you can see how I've replaced that ripped up area with that silversmith shape that I custom made that fit that profile very, very closely, and then was able to, by using measurements to make sure that those arms entered in the right place, and then we wound up anchoring them with resin into the center of it. And also anchored it with a pin that's hidden underneath here inside. There's that section. Again, I tried to treat the surface in a way that did not really involve massive restoration of the surface. It was simply to deal with it in a respectful way in terms of its age. So that's that. You can see there are little areas like right in here where there are little bits of copper that have shown through, again, as part of its aging. And then we're up here. Let's see now. This section, where's another one? No, that's it. That's it. Oh, this is another one. We also wound up cutting this apart here and straightening it out and rebuilding it so that it's also still plumb. It is plumb now. It wasn't before. So all the candle cups are. I mean, they're all sort of all over the place, but I made them so that they're nicely averaged and relatively all horizontal on their tops, relatively. So that's it. And there's the whole piece. I think it's a pretty interesting and elegant object, quite frankly. So there you go.